name is Angel Custodio Callejas. I am from Boyacá. In my country, I found a beautiful artwork called Valerie Sofia. It is an oral expression, poetry and copla. Mine be Valerie Sofia Sicua, a young poet and coplera from Huerta Grande, Boyacá, Colombia. I found a similar artwork in Google Art y Culture. It is called Poetry Reading at the Coffee de la Nouvelle Addis and was created by Edgar Degas in 1872. Both artworks are similar because they show the importance of poetry and oral tradition. House expresses color, illustrates cultural identity, and express community connection. In these days, our works are important because they connect local and global culture by showing how poetry and oral expression unite community across time and space. Thank you.